The birthday. We're almost there. Oh, I forgot to get my gun. We're almost there. So bored. I need to get to the plane and I'm so happy. So excited. I was in No, you know what I was driving in the plane before I go home and then the Manila. Now I'm out. Who is Tango? Because Tango is the plane. I can really better than yeah, my family is here, yes!
Oh, see?